In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A73, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this device. First of all, go into settings and scroll down to access lock screen section. Now tap on screen lock type at the top and pick the best locking method for you, pattern, pin or password. Then you need to create it. Choose continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. Now tap on confirm. You can manage all lock screen notifications by operating those features under lock screen notifications. You can also disable them completely by tapping on this switcher. When you're ready, click on Done. Click on Continue if you want to back up your pattern, or Cancel if you don't. So now when I switch off my screen, then switch it back on, icons that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!